to make a move to a town that's right for me.
Oh my gosh, I think it's been like a couple years. Wait, no. Definitely, oh my gosh, like a long fucking time since I've made a video where I've made like something, like where I've built something. And I was on TikTok and I found like these, I'ma just say it, bro. They're just fucking plasma cannons, bro. They're fucking big ass guns. And I'm like, bro, I want to build that. So I low-key don't have money and I'm broke as fuck. What I do have are some homies, and we can split the costs. So, and to be honest, like it's just look at it, bro.
Yeah. Wasn't he just fucking shooting on us? Yeah, I know. I can't let go. I can't let go. I did it, bro.
So, I'm driving over to Nathan's house, and we're gonna see what's gonna go down.
Yo. Bro, just put a bunch of gas. Now we're getting all this gas. Okay. How do I gain mana? My thing, my setup.
Jump and roll, bro, jump and roll.
Bro, do that now.
Yo, lock it in, bro. Lock it in.
He's gonna be so nice. Grab his arm. Zach. Zach. See? The oxygen works! The oxygen works! I got that on camera! I got that on camera! That's not we were idiots, bro! Look the fucking... Oh my god, you're so...
Wish I was more like you.
Lyric to the song.
I forgot this is a Christian Minecraft server.
I caught that reference.
Should we untape it and blow on it?
Nah, bro. That's why we need a stiff bottle. That's why... I don't know why you decided to take the fucking water bottle to it, bro.
We can always untape it though. No, he's not potential man. He is him. You know, has star magic, wind magic, a fairy. He's like a prince, but the only reason why he's not gonna become Wizard King is because he's the prince of fake.
No, I think that fits.
Oh shit, okay.
Send him off.
Oh!
What's up? I'm gonna try to die.
Okay.
Oh! I'm gonna keep you here.
No, my phone, you fucking idiot!
Fuck your phone. Come on, let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Wait, take a photo! Shut up! Not doing the microfiber, bro. No, get the microfiber off it, bro. Fucking don't test me.
I'm not. 2, 1.
Watch out!
You're getting burned!
Water me now! wait for a bit, you idiots! I was gonna tell you, there's not enough oxygen in it. It's getting in. Alright, round 2, ready?
What you mean around
Bro, that shit is dying, bro. That shit is
Oh, we
dying.
need a new bottle, bro. You lit the entire shit. We got one more in it. It got
There's a
one more.
hole in there!
Leave him here, bro. Okay, are we gonna buy the wood, bro? The wood's over there, bro. Zach on his way. Zach when he hears there's $5 food at the function, bro.
Oh, there's like hella BBC right here, bro.
BBC or PBC?
Oh my god.
They have BBC, but look, they're black. You want the black one? Is this long enough? Wait, let's joust.
Where did Josh go? Bro!
It will also improve from HGPA.
This is why kids are banned from all these pieces of You're so childish, bro. You're the one dancing like an idiot.
PVC.
Okay.
It's just wood, bro.
Look, it's a clean dildo. What the fuck?
You think this is strong enough?
Feel it?
Can you feel my wood?
Wait, do that again? Do it again. For the camera. Bro. Yeah, I take it 10 minutes before we get kicked out of here, bro. Can I see it?
Let's get down to business to defeat the horns. Let's get down to business. Da 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 da.
No, I don't know. You're the one who grabbed it.
Idiot.
You're the one that grabbed it. Who gives a shit? It's red.
Bro, it's a red one.
Mahogany wood from Terraria. It's the same one.
From Terraria.
I like the. It's the fucking same one. It's him, bro. He's the one that's arguing. Can we like, bro? Where's Josh? Give me a second, bro. No. Wait, can we ask someone to cut that for us or no? Wait, bro, we'll cut it ourselves.
There's like a fucking machine.
How are we gonna cut it, bro? You have a saw?
Hey, press the red.
No,
button.
we're not cutting wood at my house, bro. Lock it in, bro. Not, especially not with him, bro. Bro, you're the one. I want the red one. Do you have a hacksaw? I want the.
Kind of store.
I'm not asking this because I've been asking like 5 times, bro.
Do I ask?
Yeah.
All right, who do I ask?
Oh, Josh, get over here. No, wait, Josh asked. This idiot's been hiding for him. No, make Josh ask, bro.
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little bit.
I'm just gonna like slide it up and down like a fucking boat.
Oh yeah, that way. Yeah, I see that.
Bro, let me see the drill. Oh, it's already drilled, bro. You did it. Oh. You hear the noise of making? Yeah, it's like seconds, bro. Guys, what did we accomplish? Zechariah Mohammed Gomosu, bro. Abel Apostle Yabut.
Look at all the microplastics.
What did we accomplish?
I also use a toothbrush that is.
Zach, show the camera. What did we do?
It looks like it has a dick.
No! Bro, chill. I'll drill.
We're all right here. Wait, Zach.
Bro, I think he is, man.
It's not turning on.
Oh, that's cool.
Wait. Hey guys, you want to look?
Hey guys, you got.
Stop putting more on! Oh, there's like...
This looks so unsafe.
You don't keep brute force it.
Nice. You wanna do that?
Put it on top.
Nathan, check my ankle.
Just match with me, cause
Okay, yeah, let's do it like this.
We're gonna finish this project hard as shit.
Then we're gonna come back to Jacob and Josh and cook some fuck-ass fucking beef testicles, bro.
beef testicle.
Fucking Arby's chitlins, bro. I'm saying.
That should be fine. We don't even have to hold this 7 minutes point.
Alright.
Good stuff.
Okay.
Now.
It's starting to look like a fucking plasma cannon, bro.
Okay, ready?
Wait, the fucking call, bro, is pissing me off.
Can you like put your computer on D&D?
I don't know. Yo! 10, 9,
So you
8,
won't die?
7. You ready? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fuck!
That was so anticlimactic.
Or a loss?
Maybe it just needs to load more. You know what I mean?
No record it though.
It's fine.
Are you gonna shoot it?
We were trying to test it out first, like do a quick run, but there's not. We're like, it's either the bigger hole or we're not.
Oh! Guys! Close the garage now! Oh, yeah, you gotta let it load more.
Yeah, look at all this, bro.
It was like a minute and a half.
3, 2, 1.
Yo.
Okay, you guys gotta let it load more.
Okay, patience.
How-
totally the first try, right? Everyone count with me. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Yo.
Can we go again?
That's crazy.